India, physical divisions. Do you remember which continent India is located in? India is located in the continent of Asia. You also know India's neighbors. You know that India is a democratic republic. We have 29 states and 7 union territories. Now that we know the location of India, let us try to understand what it is made up of. We are going to try to figure out where the mountains are, where the plateaus are, where the plains and coastlands are. When we study a piece of land this way, it is called study of the physical divisions of the country. Mountains, plateaus, plains and coasts are all physical features of the land. You have already seen a map of India like this. What information do you get from a map like this? You can see the boundary of the country and the boundary of the different states. We also see the capitals of different countries and states. This is called a political map of India, where you can see the boundaries of India and all the states. A political map does not show us the mountains, rivers or plateaus. You do not know how high or low a piece of land is from this map. To get that information, we need a different kind of map. We need a map that tells us how high or low a piece of land is. Such a map is called a physical map or a topographic map. We can make out the mountains, plateaus and plains in such a map. Even the important rivers in an area are marked on a physical map. All these things affect the life of the people. Thus, to understand India better, we have to study the physical divisions of India. We can broadly divide India into 5 parts: the northern mountainous region, the northern plains, the Indian plateau, the coastal lowlands, the Indian islands. The northern mountainous region is the northernmost physical region of India. It is made up of the Himalayas and other mountain ranges. The northern plains are very fertile as the Himalayan rivers deposit a lot of silt there. They are the most extensively farmed areas, and 1/7 of the world's population lives there. The Indian plateau is divided into 2 parts: northern plateau and southern plateau. The northern plateau is the plateau between the Aravali and the Vindhya Range. The southern plateau is below the Satpura Range and between the Eastern and Western Ghats. The coastal lowlands are divided into 2 parts: Eastern coastal lowlands and Western coastal lowlands. The eastern coastal lowlands lie between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The western coastal lowlands lie between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. The Indian islands have 2 parts: islands in the Bay of Bengal and islands in the Arabian Sea. The islands in the Arabian Sea are the Lakshadweep group of islands. They are coral islands formed due to coral deposition and are quite scenic. The Andaman group of islands are peaks of submerged mountains. The only active volcano in India is on Barren Island in the Andaman group of islands.